Hello, I'm in London. I'm at Canary Wharf. Behind me you can see my London office. Number 1, Canada Square. How appropriate, eh? I've been here for the last 45 minutes or so, and I've stopped a couple of executives. This is a hub for global economics. There's all the big economic banks and finance houses and everything you can imagine have representation here. It's massive. Built originally by Canadians and now owned by other people. It's built up over the years and they're still building. There are massive buildings. There's a lot of people engaged, employed here. I stopped a couple of executives and asked for their opinion on the global economy. And also have my clients who are also experts in the global economy. I don't want to be a skeptic, but there is an indication both on the markets and from people that we're heading towards a recession. I'm an executive career management practitioner. How do you manage your career during a recession? It's a lot more difficult. The competition is fierce. Right now, as we're on the cusp, it's really good hiring across the world. I have clients all over the world. But that might change. Hopefully it won't, but it might change. So what are you doing to gear up for a recession? Is your resume, your CV up to date? Is it ATS, applicant tracking system friendly? Is it performance driven? Does it tell a compelling story on what a dynamic person you are? Is your LinkedIn profile up to date? There again, does it portray you as an expert? So think about it. You need to master this LinkedIn profile, and you need to make yourself look seductive. How is your job search? How is your relationship? Do you manage your network? Are you connected with executive recruiters? Because even in bad times, if a recession happens, they still recruit, although few and far between. You need to start networking, building your relationships. Because in my opinion, as an executive career management practitioner who manages the careers of senior executives across the world and executive master of business administration degree holders, both graduates and candidates and mining professionals, each job is temporary. You could be terminated any time. And if the big R word comes, that termination will be massive across the world. In New York, here in London, in Toronto, in Frankfurt, in Paris, in Hong Kong, in Dubai, wherever I work, wherever you work. So take on board to manage your career. It's very, very important. People don't manage their career. And that's why I'm in this business, to help them manage and advance their career. Even during a recession, you can advance your career, but just manage your career. That's the thing I want to relay to you today. All times, good times and bad times. Hopefully we won't get to a bad time, but every indication is that we are getting to a bad time. So you, as a senior executive, as a professional, have to knuckle down and you have to manage your career. Do you manage your career? I can help you manage your career. I specialize in that. I hold multiple certifications in resume writing, coaching, and I'm passionate about helping people manage their career and advancing their career and getting dream jobs. So if you're interested, give me a call. Look at my website, www.eliteresume.com, ELITE resume.com, ANELITERESUME.com. I'd be more than happy to provide a free, no obligation resume critique for you. because I am wanting to help you, especially as the recession may be coming. That's even more important to me. I want you to get to your career goals and remain employed. Thanks for listening. All the best.